Today, we're going to learn about how to open a case in Salesforce using the Service Cloud. Just a little background, it's extremely important to use this tool when working with an organization. Otherwise, there could be 25 different emails in a Gmail or Outlook back and forth about several different topics, very disorganized through Gmail, Outlook. Salesforce already has a feature called Service Cloud where creating cases on the cloud and predefined fields. You can upload data, you can upload Excel pieces of data or sheets, analyze them, have the right people. Most importantly, when someone is in a different time zone, they could actually reference 3 different cases, and if the person remotely or in a different city only has time to work on one issue, easily the issue could be sorted through and targeted. That's called working efficiently. So to begin, in the nonprofit instance, or any instance, the landing page, one would click on the application manager. When clicking on the application manager, they would click on Service, Service loads, they would go to Cases over here, right over here, click on this button, and click on New Case. When creating a new case, it's important to realize that a case could be linked to a specific contact in the organization at a certain account or household, or specific account like Billy from sales should call this account and make sure that they give us the money. Specifically, a lot of times after post-deploy, there's some issues where users are not able to do what they used to be able to do. They don't understand the software or whatever it is. So it's important that they click on Status and New, like it's preloaded. What is this? How did it come in? Case origin, an email, a phone, a web. In our scenario, we got an email. Priority, this is a medium priority. Subject line is basically what the problem is. For example, it could be 3 different problems. For our situation, we're going to write unable to access, and we're writing it very detailed, unable to access provide Israel field on the contact object. This is very detailed, and it gives the system administrator or whoever's working on the case the exact ability to go exactly to the object and the field to better replicate. Sometimes in the description, it could be user login details that could be provided. It could be a website link, so you could actually do that, link to the place. Or it could be simply, I used to have access and now the fields They don't match up. Web information, if it came through the web, this is where you put the information, like a web email, adoption, user, gmail.com, the web name, web company, name of the company, all these details. On the right side, you have the type. Is it a feature request? Is it a question? I don't know how to use the software. Maybe I need more training. Essentially, it's a problem. It's a problem. Now, what kind of problem? User didn't attain training. We're going to put that here because generally after post-deploy, there needs to be a user adoption meeting so the user understands that Salesforce, this is what we chose. We're not going backwards. Or if we're rolling from classic UI to Lightning UI, it's a simple, this is how it works. Let's help you get there. That's why trainings are the main thing with implementation. We're saving it, we're creating a new case. As you can see, the case was created. Case was created, it got a case number. So now if I have 3 separate issues, I cannot use the data import wizard effectively. I'm not able to import context. I'm not able to put opportunities on these contexts. Whatever it is, it gets a case number here. The status, it tells you the status. Whoever works on this will update the status, whether it's priority or high or low. That's one aspect. Another big thing is, if you actually, when a person clicks in related, and scrolls down to attachments, in the case, here they could upload files by clicking on the upload files button and decide whether maybe it's a screenshot, maybe it's a simple sheet that needs to be cleaned because the phone number is in the city, and in the city field it says country, or we need to do pick lists because people just put whatever they want. These are all factors. The main thing here is a person is assigned a case that opens the case, and then it's assigned to. Separate discussion would be how cases are received, who's more qualified, queues. These are all high-level items that when people are running a service center, call center, these are all things that could be discussed in another another class. Thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing day.